We'll start with the pattern of a counter. That pattern teaches us to make an integer variable that counts whatever it is that we want to count. You want to have another method that increments the counter when whatever interesting event happens that you're counting. And you'll usually want a method that returns the current counter value so that the user of the class can get at it. Okay, that's all really abstract, so let's look at a concrete example. Here I have the beginning of a car class. A car has a given number of seats. That, of course, is not my integer counter because that number doesn't change. Then I have a method here called addPassenger. Whenever that method gets called, another passenger enters the car. And then I have a method for counting the number of passengers in this car, not counting the driver. What I'd like you to do is use this pattern and add an instance variable for the counter, which you can call anything that you think is appropriate, and to implement the methods that increment the counter and that return its current value.